Hello students, I am Mohammad Kamran Halil from YouTube channel The Physics Gurus. Today we will proceed the previous topic. The topic which we were discussing is the current electricity. Already you know basics of the current electricity. Now today we will discuss the really very important concept, the difference between the electron flow and the conventional current. Normally the students will get confused what is the basic difference between them. The first things related with the electron flow, that in metals we know that there are free electrons available. Electron contain negative charge, so when they will get the complete circuit by switching on the circuit on the switch, what will happen? The electron which contain the negative charge, they will start moving towards the positive terminal of battery. What is the reason? Because the negative always attract towards the positive terminal and positive always attract towards the negative terminal. So now these are the electrons which are available by nature in the metals. So what will happen actually here? The electron will start moving from negative terminal of battery towards the positive terminal. Why these electrons will flow? Because they are getting energy from the cell or the battery. So the electron flow is the simple that the flow of the negative charges, always remember, for the electron flow we will write down the definition, the flow of the negative charges from the negative terminal of battery towards the positive terminal. This is the actual current which flow in an electronic circuit, in a DC circuit as well, in which the negative charges always move towards the positive terminal. Then on the other side, if we will observe that this is a conventional current. This is a current which we will use in order to explain the concept of the current, in order to solve the electric circuits. This is for the simplicity. Actually this current doesn't exist. Keep this thing in your mind. The actual current which flow in the electronic circuit is the electron flow. The definition of the conventional current is that it is the movement or it is the flow of the positive charges from positive terminal of battery towards the negative terminal. Remember one thing, that in an atom the positive charges is isolated inside the nucleus, because nucleus contain the proton and the neutron. So it is not possible that the proton are moving within the wire and they are moving from the positive terminal towards the negative. This is just a convention, just like a convention that the water flow from higher temperature towards low temperature, then the pressure moves from higher region of concentration towards the low region of concentration. So this is actually the convention which scientists has made for the simplicity. So whenever we will talk about the conventional current, it always marked from positive terminal of battery towards the negative terminal. So in the paper they will ask that draw the arrow sign for representation of the conventional current. So conventional current is always represented from the positive terminal of battery towards the negative terminal, and that is the movement of the positive charges from positive terminal of battery towards the negative terminal. And on the other side, if they will say that mark the direction of the electron flow in the lamp, in the bulb, then what you will do? You will draw the arrow sign in this direction. So these arrow signs normally required in the question paper. And now we will discuss what is the basic difference between the EMF and the potential difference. So stay tuned. Next topic I will explain is the potential difference and the EMF.